I like to amplify a lot of things in life.
I even like to amplify my family.
500. I like to amplify my muscles. I also like to amplify my energy. And since hard drugs are frowned upon, caffeine.
And I like to amplify my adventures.
Oh, hey. You know, I used to get in trouble when I was in school for having a voice that carries. Turns out, now I make my living with my amplified voice.
All of that was just to tell you about Kajabi's newest feature called Amplify, which is going to change the way that you promote your offers, not only to your list, but to other creators' list within Kajabi's platform. So now I'm going to take you inside Kajabi to show you exactly how to join Amplify. So it's going to show up here on the front page of your dashboard, and it's going to say Grow More Together. Join a built-in network where Kajabi heroes grow together, promote other heroes to earn revenue, or get promoted to reach new audiences. Claim your profile and grow with Amplify. So let's go through the process together. Welcome to Amplify. Get promoted by trusted experts to grow your audience and earn revenue by promoting other experts. There's two sides to it. You can be a publisher, an advertiser, or both. As a publisher, you're monetizing the email list that you already have. Other experts pay you to feature their stuff inside your email broadcast. You set your own price and you keep 80% of every deal. As an advertiser, you're doing the opposite. You pay to get featured inside someone else's email list. Somebody who already built trust with an engaged audience that looks a lot like yours. Either way, this isn't cold traffic. These are people who already opened an email from someone they trust. If you're an advertiser, you browse a directory of publishers, see their audience size and pricing up front, then send a request. If you're a publisher, you approve or reject anything that comes your way. You're never forced to feature anything that doesn't fit your list. Once a deal's approved, there's a sponsored block right inside the email builder. No copy paste, no separate tracking links. You get paid after the email goes out. So back to the page at hand, choose which profile to create, then review the details inside the next step. If you're interested in both, you can add the other role at any time. This is what I love. I might sometimes want to be an advertiser and other times want to be a publisher, and it gives me both options. But for our purposes today, I'm going to join as a publisher. So when you get to this page, it says your profile is live on Amplify. Review your profile below, built using your Kajabi data, and make any edits here or anytime on Amplify. So the publisher is me. It has my profile. It has my earning potential. What this means is, based on my audience size, what I would charge per send, how many promotions I would likely do per month, and how much they could make from me in a year. The people who want to start or grow an online business, especially those new to entrepreneurship, are seeking to replace traditional employment with passive income. That's my audience type. Sponsors who serve aspiring entrepreneurs, beginners, or those looking to transition from a 9-to-5 job. And this is really, really accurate in terms of my audience size. And if I did 4 promotions a month, I could see where they get some of those numbers. Lane helps aspiring entrepreneurs and beginners launch and grow profitable online businesses through step-by-step courses, group coaching, and supportive community. Lane provides practical guidance to replace your 9-to-5 income and achieve life-changing passive income. Yes. I love life-changing passive income. It's my favorite thing in the whole world, next to my wife and GLP-1s. Once we get to this page, it gives us the next steps for getting started. Connect Stripe to receive payments, complete your profile, save your favorite profile so I can go and I can look at other people and save them. Send your first request, that's pretty exciting, and run your first promotion. And then down here, it even has recommended advertisers for you. So Michael Elsner or $1 Million Membership, these are people that they've already populated that I might want to check out. And then if I go up here to advertisers, it'll show me a list of potential advertisers, including Brendan Richard, who I've met. Under the promotions tab, it tracks the promotions I've done. And then settings is where I can update my profile, pricing, audience, and account. And if you're not on Kajabi yet, now is the time to join. I've been using Kajabi since 2019 to run all 3 of my businesses. I have a multiple 6-figure business on the platform. I trust it for my entire business. It's everything from your website hosting to your payment processor, to your email marketing, to your course hosting, to your community membership, to everything else in between. Kajabi does it all under one roof, and it does it better than anyone else. If you go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi, I can get you either a 30-day free trial so you can check it out and see if you like it, or I can get you the first 3 months of Kajabi for one payment of $99. It's your choice. And you get my 3 exclusive bonuses to help you get the best possible start on the platform. All of that is yours over at lanesebring.com. amplify.com/Kajabi. That is my referral link. So when you use it, I do get a commission, but at no additional cost to you. I'm so excited about Amplify because what it does is it allows you to share with other people the audience that you've built. And it allows you to borrow some of the trust that other people have built from their audience. Everybody wins. You make money from the audience that you've built trust with. Other people get access to the audience that you've built, and vice versa. It's just one of the many ways that Kajabi is allowing you to take control of your income and think bigger, because
Why live normally when life can be bigger and better? And why run your online business normally when it can be amplified?